Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Blanca. Thanks for stopping by. So today I wanted to sit down and show you guys my May favorites. I have a ton of stuff. I've been using a bunch of new products. There's a mixture of stuff from Sephora and also just from the drugstore, just so you guys know. I have a ton of stuff, so I'm not going to make my intro super duper long because I don't want this video to be super duper long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and don't forget to like this video if you do. It really helps me out. And yeah, let me know what your favorite makeup products are. I don't care if they're from the drugstore. Just let me know. I am always looking to try new things. And yeah, I've been loving these items that I'm going to be showing you guys. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with, I guess, is like skincare, I guess. Skin stuff. We're gonna do skin stuff first. So I've been trying out the Origins Original Skin Retexurizing Mask with Rose Clay. I have the small travel size. I received this like in a little kit that I purchased from the VIB sale. So I don't think you can actually purchase a mini size of this. You can only get the large size. It's reasonably priced. It's only $34. So I recently started using this a couple of times a week. Oh my God, you guys, I love this stuff. It's so good. Leaves your skin feeling super soft and it helps with pores. I have a lot of large pores like around my cheeks and on my nose. I also have like a lot of little like blackheads on my nose, and I have a lot of texture, especially on this side of my face. My makeup just glides on so nicely after I use this, and I am just super obsessed. Definitely recommend this if you are looking for a mask that's going to help deep clean your skin, minimize your pores, just smooth out the texture on your skin. Oh, it's amazing. I can't say enough about this mask. I love it so much. The next product that I want to talk about is the Janiero Bum Bum Cream. This stuff smells so good. I used it up so quickly, but I kept a jar because it smells so good. I did reorder the big tub of this, so I'm just waiting for it to arrive in the mail. It is a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. It leaves your skin silky smooth. It's supposed to tighten your skin as well, help with any stretch marks / cellulite, and it smells like vanilla / caramel, and it lasts on your skin for a long time. Like hours later, I'll put this on in the morning, and then at nighttime I could still smell it on my skin. If you are sensitive when it comes to, you know, scents, maybe just try out the small one to see if you'll like it or not, because if you don't, and then there's no use in buying the big tub of it. But definitely recommend this, and I definitely noticed a change in my skin when I put it on. My skin just feels silky smooth. I love this stuff so much. I'm obsessed. So I have recently started self-tanning, and this is my favorite self-tanner. I honestly haven't tried anything else. I've always used Saint Tropez Self-Tan Classic. It has just never let me down. So the last time I used this was probably, I don't know, 3 years ago or even longer. And so I recently just wanted to start self-tanning. I've been really trying to stay out of the sun. I used to do tanning beds many years ago, and now when I look back, I'm like, oh my God, Blanca, why would you do that to your skin? So I just recently started using this again, and I haven't self-tanned in a few days, so I mean, I probably don't look that tan, but I love this stuff. It's so good. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what more to say about it, but it does give you a nice healthy glow. I'm not the best I don't have that much experience when it comes to self tanning, so when you first put it on, even though it may look a little bit streaky, but once you wash it off the next day, or you wait 8 hours, I think you're supposed to wait, your skin just looks nicely evened out. And I definitely recommend buying the glove. I will link everything down below in case you guys are interested in any of these products. But yeah, like there's no streaking, and you just end up with a beautiful, nice summer glow. I definitely recommend Saint Tropez if you guys are looking for a self tanner. It never lets me down. It never disappoints. So I finally got my hands on the Too Faced Peach Perfect Setting Powder. It smells like peaches, and if it happens to fall into your mouth, it just tastes like peaches too. It leaves no flashback in photos. It leaves your face just looking super smooth. It smooths out any texture, smooths out your pores. Your face just looks like a porcelain doll. It's always sold out on Sephora, so I was really happy when I was able to get it. It's a game changer, and your makeup is just going to look absolutely flawless. And oh, I just love this, and it just smells really good. For primer, I've been loving the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. It just gets rid of any texture on your face. It gives you just a nice smooth canvas. Your foundation will just apply very nicely onto the face. And when you put it on, you get that cooling feeling on your face. I'm probably going to repurchase the bigger size of this. I think it comes in 2 sizes, or maybe it just comes in 1. Another primer that I've been really loving is by Rimmel London, and it's the Insta Flawless Perfecting Radiant Primer, and this just brightens your skin and it illuminates, giving you a natural looking glow, and it primes and perfects. So I tend to use drugstore when it comes to, you know, an everyday makeup look, and then when it's something, you know, fancier, then I do use this guy. It's really nice. It just gives your skin a nice natural glow. I'm really feeling that glow. Like, I wasn't into like that glow look before. I just wanted to be completely matte, no shine, no dewiness, nothing at all. But lately I've been just really into that glowy, dewy kind of look, and I just feel like this does that for me. So I definitely love wearing this, and it's affordable, and you can just find it at the drugstore. I got this one at Walmart. For foundation, and I'm actually wearing it right now, I have been loving the Super Stay Full Coverage Maybelline foundation. I love Maybelline. When it comes to foundation, I always use drugstore, and the one that I just absolutely love is always by Maybelline. My other favorite is the matte poreless, the Fit Me one, but recently I've just been using this almost every single day. I did switch out to a lighter shade because I do find that this oxidizes a little bit and it does go a little bit darker, so keep that in mind if you are going to try this foundation out. So if you guys are wondering, the shade that I am in is 128 Warm Nude, and in the matte poreless I wear 128 Warm Nude as well, and I also wear the, what is it, the 220 Natural Beige when I'm a little bit darker. I did a whole foundation review on this foundation. I will link it up here, or I will put it in the description box below. But this foundation is so beautiful. It gives a nice full coverage. It just gives you a nice matte look, and it just lasts all day long, and it's very affordable. I believe it's $12 at Walmart. Oh, I love this foundation. It's one of my holy grails. I just really love Maybelline, and I've always loved their foundations, and so this one is now one of my new favorites. It's amazing. I've been using it every single day. When it comes to eyeshadow, the palette that I've been using pretty much almost every single day is the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This palette has been like my go-to palette. I've already hit pan on 2 shades because I just keep using it. It's just a beautiful warm neutrals palette. You have mattes, you have shimmers, you have glitters, and the formula of these shadows are super buttery and just easy to work with, easy to blend. And in case you guys are wondering, these are the shadows that I'm wearing on my lids today. Love this palette. It's beautiful. Definitely recommend it. Okay, last but not least are just 2 liquid lipsticks that I have been loving, and they are by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and they are in the shade Stripped and Ashton. I love these on their own, wearing them on their own with a nice, you know, lip liner, but pairing these together is my absolute favorite. You get like such a beautiful shade on your lips. So what I do is I put on Ashton first, and then I put on Stripped just in the middle part of my lips, and it just looks so beautiful. Every time I wear this combo, I get so many compliments on my lipstick or just on my makeup, and it's because of these two. They just look so beautiful paired together. So if you have these liquid lipsticks, try wearing them together. So I'm going to swatch these for you guys so you can see. So Ashton just looks like this. Stripped looks like this. just like that. And then I just mix them both together. I'm gonna mix them together. And you get a shade like this. Isn't it pretty? All right, you guys, so that's it for my May favorites. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if there are any videos you guys would like to see. I always ask you guys to leave me comments down below, and like nobody ever really comments. I love reading your comments when you guys do comment, and yeah, I don't know, just I try to interact with you guys, but I don't know, not many people leave me comments. I don't know why, but yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what video you guys would like to see next. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.